Hello everyone, how have you all been? Today we are not traveling, but I'm going to be giving you a review of the washroom or the toilet in Vande Bharat. This toilet is of the train which is from Howrah to Puri. You can see how clean it is and spacious at the same time. This handrest is given, which is very helpful for old people while sitting or getting up. If you like my video, please do like and comment. Also subscribe to my channel. The wash basin is also pretty big and so is the mirror. The door is a sliding one and it doesn't have any obstacle for coming out or going inside the toilet. On the other hand, the Vande Bharat, which is from Howrah to Patna, has a totally different kind of a toilet for the same economic class. It's a pretty small washroom, just like any other Indian rail trains have. It's not at all maintained, pretty dirty. Most of the time there is no water inside and that's why it becomes dirtier. The door opens up inside, which becomes an obstacle while going out. Unexpectedly, the wash basin was pretty clean. Stay tuned to my channel for more such videos. Bye till then.